Hi everyone. To archive a Google Classroom, all you have to do is go to your Google Classroom. Here's mine right here. I'm going to scroll down to my classroom for this year. What you want to do to archive a classroom is you want to hit these three dots on the right-hand corner and go down to where it says archive and click that button. I'm not quite ready to archive yet because I want to communicate that I'm wrapping up the school year to the students in my classroom. So I want to make sure and tell them I'm going to archive this classroom and say if you would like to access the content you can over the summer, but you won't be able to make any comments or submit any work. So I'm going to wait, but you want to click this archive button. Then once you do that, the class will no longer show up in your Google Classroom. You will have to go up here to the top where it says Google Classroom and to this little button here to the left. And to find classrooms that you've archived, you will have to go down to where it says Archived Classes and click on that button. And that is where your classroom will show up. So this is just a recommendation by the county. When you archive a class, it still gives everyone access to the class, but students cannot comment throughout the summer cannot comment throughout the summer at all, and they cannot submit work. So that way you don't have to monitor it or worry about it. All your work will still be saved. So when you go into next school year and we would do remote learning, you will have to create a new Google Classroom for next year. So I'm going to just go back to my classes here. I hope that is helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to text or email me.